Hello guys. Hope you're enjoying your day. Today we're going to learn symptoms of bad purge valve. The purpose of a purge valve in a vehicle is to control and reduce the release of fuel vapors from the fuel tank, helping to lower emissions, improve fuel efficiency, and prevent issues in the fuel system. Symptoms of a bad purge valve in a vehicle's evaporative emission control system can include check engine light. The most common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. Here are error codes related to bad purge valve. Rough idle. A faulty purge valve can lead to rough idling or stalling when the engine is at idle. Hard starting. Difficulty starting the engine, especially after refueling, can be a sign of a bad purge valve. Vapor smell. You might notice the smell of gasoline vapors, especially around the vehicle's fuel filler neck. Increased emissions. A faulty purge valve can lead to increased emissions, which can cause a vehicle to fail an emissions test. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.